Some people don't have friends, but not for the reason you think. They look calm, quiet, even strong. But inside, there is a whole world you cannot see, a world made for one. What the behavior is. This behavior is called voluntary social isolation. They stay alone. They keep distance. They avoid groups. They listen more than they speak. They hide their real feelings. They feel safer in silence. Sometimes they go a whole weekend without talking to anyone, and for them, it is normal. This is not just loneliness. This is a lifestyle. This is a private world where only they enter, a door that is almost always closed. Why people do this? Some people stay alone because they were hurt before. Betrayal, bullying, rejection, being ignored. Their mind learned, people can hurt me, so staying alone feels safe. It feels easier than trying again. Sometimes one slow reply or small silence makes them pull away completely, because they already expect pain. Some avoid people because they fear judgment. Talking feels heavy. Every word feels like a mistake. Every conversation feels like a test. Silence feels safer than speaking. Silence becomes their home. Some feel emotions deeply. Crowds drain them. Small talk tires them. They want deep connection, but they fear deep connection might break them. Some learn to survive without anyone. They trust themselves more than others. They see friendships as pressure, not joy. When plans cancel, they feel relief, not sadness. Many did not feel seen as children. They had to raise themselves emotionally. A child who learns, "No one is here for me," grows into an adult saying, "I don't need anyone." Their protective armor becomes their prison. Some people want friends, but don't know how. They struggle with conversations. They miss social cues. Small conflicts scare them. Friendships fade because they don't know how to keep them alive. Signs. Someone is like this. They never start conversations. They cancel plans often. They avoid eye contact. They stay more online than in real life. Their personal life is a mystery. They overthink small things. They push people away before anyone gets close. And they say, "I'm fine," even when they're not. Example. Someone says, "We should hang out." They think about it for hours and reply, "Maybe another time." If this is you, listen closely. You are not broken. You are protecting yourself. But remember this: walls keep out pain, but they also keep out light. You don't need a crowd. You just need one safe person, one gentle connection. Start small. One message, one hello, one moment of courage. A single connection can crack the wall. Let the light in. Subscribe for more.